In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add sticker to a photo on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started and first off, open up Photos app and then search a photo in which you would like to add a sticker. Then tap on it to open it up. Tap at Edit to head over to Edit mode. Then tap at that markup icon. Tap at this plus sign and select Add Sticker. After that, select a sticker that will add it to your photo. In this way you can change its size, and also after that you can move it to any position. Once it is done, to save the changes, tap at Done and then Done again. If later in the future you decide to remove a sticker from your photo, you can easily do so. Just tap right here at Edit and then towards the top right corner click Add Revert and then Revert to Original. That will restore the original picture. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.